Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, naglalaro tayo ng GTA 5. So, yung last time, naglaro ako ng GTA 5. Hindi ko alam, mali naman pala. Kulay black lang yung pinakita. Ba't naging ganito? Kulay black lang pinakita. 29 minutes, kulay black. Walang iba. Walang kwenta, di ba? Oh, ganito. Ang ano ko, skin. Ganito lang. Uwi muna ako sa bahay. Safe house. Point. Okay, so begin na tayo. Nakipaglaban ako doon, di ko naman alam, kulay black lang pinakita. So, uwi mo na ako sa bahay. Kaya nandito na ako. Oo, chill. Hindi ko lang na yung keyboard ko. May motor ako? O, dyan ko na lang yan. Look, may story. Oh.
What are you doing here? I live here. This half my house too. So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Good.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah. Bitch, you ain't no more of a man than me. I hear that.
Nag-away sila.
Shit, nigga. Look who's possessed. What's happening with it, man?
Oh, no. Show some respect here, nigga. That man, he couldn't hold down his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dog.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your mom, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on that.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet men that got bigger balls than you.
You been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls? Yeah, it's good.
Tagal, no?
Confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up. Hey. Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up. Nigga, I swear, man, you ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? Alright, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours. Fuck you. I swear, man.
Wow, nagmura pa talaga, ha?
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves too, man. Part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, Bill?
Drive where?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Why?
Business, nigga. Business. Come on, bro. Y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Not me. Shit. Let's go to the gun store.
Shit, homie. You gonna drop all that bread on that deer, you might as well get a haircut too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker.
Okay, manahimik na kayo. Ayoko na kayo mayan eh. Kasi, namakyok. Nagsabi ka pa ng fuck you.
You know when I went away,
Sa ulo ka talaga eh.
little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies.
Ano kaya na naman yung mission natin dito?
What the fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies.
Wala nga, yan. Ayusin ko lang yan.
Exactly. Man, that's some fucking pyramid scheme bullshit.
Alin na naman yung pupuntahan natin dito?
Illuminati pharaoh
Sisimula pa lang, may story na, may ano na agad eh. Mission. Tabi! O, tabi!
Hey, be easy, man.
O, sorry na. Eh, nabukas lang yung harap mo. Hindi mo nasira. Ito na ba?
As soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
As soon as we get incarcerated, more like.
Okay, okay, shut up, shut up.
Ammunition, armorer to the stars.
Hey, what's up, man?
Firing range is in the back, and all our weapons are customizable.
Oh, hell yeah. You can trick your blam blam out up in here.
Quit all that. Just straight up artillery, man, alright?
Don't y'all shut the fuck up. I got this, you clown.
Huwag ka na magmumura na nga.
Get your shotgun with the flashlight modification.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Puto na yun, ang dami kong pera.
Shut the fuck up.
Yan yung
Come
gusto
on.
ko. Ang dami ko palang pera eh. Wala nga.
Hey, listen up. I want to be crystal fucking clear. Nothing he buying got anything to do with us.
Yeah, you know, we got felonies and
Yeah,
we
shut
ain't
up,
touching
shut up.
shit.
I ain't even looking.
Okay, bago.
Ooh, it's hot as hell up in here, homie.
Yeah, real shit, my nigga.
Let's go buy this shit, go to Mexico, take that shit to the bank.
Hell no, nigga. We got felonies, nigga. Ain't nobody doing that shit. We legit as a motherfucker.
Ano kaya bibili ko dito? Body armor, no? O, tinan mo! Ano yan? Yung mouse! Tinan mo! Ano yan? O, tinan mo! Namamakyo yung mouse.
Like this all day long without feeling the need to grab a gun, just walk out the door and shoot somebody.
I think they do a psych test
Huh?
to make sure people working they don't do shit like that. A psych test? Man, you see this nigga right here? He look every bit of 5150. Man, shut up.
We ain't window shopping.
Meron na pala akong ganito. Wag na, wag na. Bibili na lang ako ng jacket. Ano kaya yung maganda dito? Ito. Ito. O ito. Ito
Man,
maganda,
let's do
no?
this shit.
Wala nga. Ito dalawa, ito. Ang bibiling ko, wala. Ano kaya maganda dito, no? Mamamahal. Meron na. Nasa sa akin na yung ano na yan. Hammer. Knife.
Oh, choosy ass only child motherfucker.
Wala akong mapili dito ah. Ano kaya pipiliin ko? Bagong jacket na lang. Ito, maganda to. Itong puti. Ay, hindi. Ayun, yun. Ito, paborito to. Wala na tayong bibilin. Tara na.
You gonna buy that shit I don't know nothing about?
The autosave slot already contains autosave paparazzo, the sex tape 7.5 saved on. Do you want to overwrite the data in this slot with your current game progress? Of course! O tara na, ano paggagawin nyo dyan? Ano bibili nyo dyan?
To get a flashlight before you book.
Flashlight. Gusto bumili ng ganito, no? Lang. O, ganyan talaga pinipili niya eh. O, huwag ka na mamamakyo, please. Uy, grabe. Nakabukas na to. Ano gagawin natin dito? Ano ba gusto nyo bilhin ko? Siguro ba rin? Ito, huwag ka na
We
mamakya,
ain't window
please.
shopping. Man, let's do this shit.
Manimik ka nga. Let's do this shit. Oh,
Oh, choosy ass only child motherfucker.
yan. Ready na to. Alis na ako dito, ha. Wala nang pipili-pili dyan. Tapos na ako bumili. Ayos na lang ako dito. Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi ko alam ano pag gagawin natin. Talagang pinapupunta ako dito. Ano ba gusto nyo bilhin ko? Yan. Ang mahal naman yan. Martilyo.
You gonna buy that shit I don't know nothing about?
Grenade, oh. Hindi ko alam bibiliin ko dito. Ano ba gusto nyo bilihin ko?
We ain't window shopping.
Ano ba gusto nyo gawin ko? Nagtatagal tayo dito sa ano na to. Ano gusto mo? Gusto niyo bumili ako ng mga mahal? Bilang salamin. Okay na dito.
Man, let's do this shit.
Shut up! Kailangan ko ubusin yung pera ko. Salamat, ha.
Oh, choosy ass only child motherfucker.
Oh, manahimik ka, motherfucker. Wala nang bibilin. Ubus na pera ko. Ano talaga gusto nyo bilhin ko? Wala na akong pera. Wala na akong bibilin dito. Ito na lang ulit. Bili ulit ako ng cola. Ng Coca-Cola. Sarap mo suntukin, no? Pinipilit mo, no? Great. Ha? Nagkaroon ng isa pang pera?
You gonna buy that shit I don't know nothing about?
Frankel did not have enough money to buy the pump shotgun and flashlight mode. Di ko alam gagawin ko.
Alright, homie, get your shotgun with the flashlight modification.
How the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
Ano ba shotgun?
Hey, listen up. I want to be crystal fucking clear. Nothing he buying got anything to do
Okay. Flashlight.
It's hot as hell up in here, homie.
Yeah, real shit, my nigga.
We could buy this shit, go to Mexico, take that shit to the bank.
Hell no, nigga. We got felonies, nigga. Ain't nobody doing that shit.
Okay, tapos na tayo.
Legit as a motherfucker on this right now, man. Just chill.
Nagtagal pa ako, kailangan lang naman palang flashlight.
Our friends in La Puerta.
So may flashlight. Baliktad yung pinupuntahan ko.
Back your ass up.
Manimik ka nga dyan. Nagtagal ako, kailangan palang flashlight.
You got some cans or some shit I don't know.
Nah, homie. We got
Kakalis na din tayo.
Why do I get the feeling this gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situations?
Now, see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about.
Babanggain mo pa ako, ah.
You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina.
Kaya ano gagawin natin? Motherfucker. Oop, oop, oop. Panis, oop.
This ain't new age shit. It's fact. You get what
Oh, sorry na. Sinira ko yung kotse mo. Oh, ang tibay naman na ito, ah.
some Mark talk like
Walang
that.
kasira-sira.
CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so lame right now.
Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah,
Baliw na ako mag-drive.
What's happening?
it's nothing, my nigga, nothing. You know, just some ideas, that's all.
Man, ideas ain't your strong suit, so put it on.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
While flying a kite, asleep under a tree, he soon realized something mind.
Dami naman nila sinasabi.
Man shouldn't fly kites. That's right.
Oh, sala-sala ba't to?
The lab.
This is MNTR, and you are in the lab with Dr.
All right, homie, we meeting in here.
Ano, homie? Flashlight, oh.
Find this place.
Homie set it up.
It's the kind of spot where
Sorry.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
Tinumba.
no, you more of a punk bitch type nigga.
Hintay naman.
What's up, fool?
What up
We
with it?
got that shit, nigga, with a paper at, nigga.
Shit
I'm
na
talking about
putik.
buku bills.
More dates. What's up, boy? Everything cool?
Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Oh, come on,
dog.
dog. Don't real recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks.
Look, you ain't about you, man. You know these niggas, the fuck.
Kinidnap, tas naging friend.
They put a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
Patay!
The police, dog, this some ballers bullshit.
Nigga, that's some
Man,
bullshit.
fuck you.
What's up with
Hey,
this
we been
bull-
set up, nigga. This shit fucked up.
you,
Fuck
nigga.
Shit. Oh, bitch ass ballers.
Come on, through here. That fucking D set us up.
I said lay low after you got cropped.
You lay low, motherfucker. That ain't me.
I can see that. Clowns, man. Fuck you.
Shotgun, shotgun.
Fabricate no more.
Nasaan yun?
Man, bullshit.
We outnumbering this little ninja bitch.
Yan, pinipindot ko yung di mo gumagana yung flashlight.
There's always a way out, motherfucker, and we gon' find it. Cover me, homie. I'ma hit this. Fuck.
Ooh!
This Chamberlain gangster family's here.
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead.
Not me, nigga.
Your homie dead.
Man, I deserve to get
You gon' get tipped, no bitch ass baller.
Man, back up.
Keep your head down.
Fire him up. Never fucking learn.
Ikaw marunong, di mo nalang barinin?
Baller, homie.
Never trust you is the lesson I'm taking away from this shit.
Man, I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place.
Fuck you.
Yan, fuck you. Nagmo. Fuck you ng fuck you.
Man, pop me and get it over with.
Callow motherfuckers.
Nigga, get down or lay down.
Go get clapped.
May mission tayo dito ah. May kalaban yan.
We ain't gonna run. Fuck that. Get out.
Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Man, they hard for you, homie. This Chamberlain gangster family's here.
Yan, yan! Go, 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 go!
The place on fire. Shit's burning. We gotta go, man. Move.
You always say you knew better, bitch, but you always end up in the same fucked up situation.
I'ma learn to trust my own motherfucking instincts. Here again?
It's like 2 more left. Bust them fools. We do sports with guns.
Snitch ass fool thought we was marked.
Now he ain't thinking shit. You hear that? One time. I'ma follow you for a minute. Your homie's dead. You go first. Stay after me.
There's a fire door.
This the way out.
Hey, one time.
RC and I gonna cause us some trouble. Clap 'em, homie.
We're going down.
Up this ladder.
Paano gamitin?
Oh, climb to freedom. Damn, homie, watch that shit, fool. We almost there. We almost out of here. Fuck this.
Pagtanga.
Over this and we good.
Akyat! Bilis! Bagal mo.
One time ain't welcome, Frank.
Man, out that motherfucker right now. Out, out.
Move, bitch. Run up on me.
Para sa inyo! Patay! Yeah, shit. Oh, putik na. Namatay ako. Ang tagal. Namatay ako. Ang tagal ng mission ko. Namatay lang ako.
We gotta drop this heat. Ride, homie.
Hit this. Kung ginagawa mo. Hey, you take this. Di ka kasi tumabi sa ano eh. Ako naman yung namatay. Ano ba yan? Mission, ang hirap naman ng mission na to. Ano talaga gawin natin? Tatakas o ano, may pagpatayan.
One time ain't welcome, Frank.
Ganon, tatakas.
Man, where the rollers at? You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga.
Who gave this fool a license?
Tabi!
Man, stop driving all conspicuous and shit.
Tabi!
Man, I don't get the cop mentality.
Run! Ay, run. Loko siya ako tumatakbo ba ako? Bilis! Kailangan ko na tumakas! Kailangan namin tumakas! Because we are chasing by the cop! Uy, survive ako dun ah. Kami pala. Nandun pa ba yung pulis? Sunod pa yung pulis. May pulis sa harapan natin. Yan mo, basic lang yan ni Dash. Yes, how? Oh, putik na yan.
Man, leave us be, motherfucker.
Alright. Tabi! Oh! I don't care. Kailangan natin makatakas. Dapat di tayo mamatay. Kailangan lang natin tumakas. Kaysa may cops doon. Eh, dito naman ako dadaan. Tabit. Salabat naman kasi yung mga ano eh. Yan, deserve nyo yan. Ay, naku, may pulis pa talaga doon. Run, bro. Keep running, bro. Neb. Ay. Eh, butas yung gulong. Go faster! Yeah, manahimik ka shit. Yan, banggay mo pa kami, namatay ka tuloy. Saan talaga tayo tatak? May lumulutang dun na kotse. Umiikot lang yata kami ah. Diretso ako. Pinasan mo, di pa nawawala yung pagkapulis namin. Talon! Oh, bad idea. Oh. Ah! Oh.
You the new kind of hood, motherfucker.
Back your ass up. Oh shit.
Habol kami, hanggang ngayon hinahabol kami. Sala, ba't to?
You get PC'd up in the pen, nigga.
That ain't hood.
Take this, bro. Dadaan ako dito. Hindi sila nakakadaan eh. Sa grass.
Who gave this fool a license?
Wrong way. Yan. Right way. Nikulit ako, nandito yung pulis. Oh!
You got weak ass vision, homie.
Makit kayo! Ladder. Die! Just die! Die! Yeah, shit. Yun.
That shit.
Kailangan na yata natin bumaba. Hindi ko alam gagawin namin. Madami kaming mission. Walang ladder. Walang ladder. Doon yung meron. Fast, 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 fast. Oh, putik na yan. Binoldit ako. Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Ang hirap.
What I get for rolling with you, fool.
Ang hirap talaga.
I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this
You
state.
get busted bad now.
Talagang hirap. So, tumabi ka na.
Hey, move, fool.
Sabi, lose the cup. So, tataas na lang kami.
I ain't catching this.
Stop the car. Shut up. Bigyo kasi ba patayin?
Keep them rollers off us. You got weak ass vision, homie.
Uy! 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 Uy!
Careful, Mark.
You the new kind of hood
Left and right
motherfucker.
is about this shit.
Uy!
Big dog.
Tabi!
Out the jailhouse into the ER. This ain't got nothing to do with me.
Uh, uh,
I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool.
uh,
You's an ugly motherfucker.
uh,
Man, I don't get
uh, Ay, ba? Oh my god! Get up! Ay, nawawala na yung cups! Tabi! Ay, nasundan pa rin.
That's it, we lost. Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
We going back in my crib, man, and you can walk from there.
Okay.
Hey, what the hell?
Go back to your
Frank.
Go back to Franklin's house.
I did the necessary.
Let's go.
Yeah, thank you for that, dog.
This all on you, LD. Lanky dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CTF for life, man. You done, you dig?
Actually,
Ang layo naman ah.
CGL for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie, foreign gangsters.
No, he don't mean that, Lo. F just talking outside his neck.
I'ma reach across
Nawala na ang cups.
purple, homie.
Buti naman. Wala nang humahabol na cups.
Assholes out for this?
Yun yung gusto ko mangyari. Mawala ng cups.
You all diplomatic and shit.
Drift.
He a real fucking diplomat, ain't he?
Ew, ew, aman, aman, ew, ew.
Sent to the Middle East.
Ew, 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 ew,
No one's stopping
Yeah, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more
Kagayang-gaya mo pa naman.
yeah, it's every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Ipanis bitch. The long stretch. Okay. Huh? Saan yung sasalita naman? Outfits. No items. Huh? Wala man. Hoodies. Ito lang yung meron. Gusto ko boots. Lang nga may pupuntahan lang ako, guys. Cheat code na lang ako. Yan. Tapos pupuntahin natin yung malapit sa atin na mga balin. Eh! Huwag na. Mirror Park. Ito. Yan. Let's go. Si Rolo to ah. Kikita na yung bilis-bilis ko. Ah! Anong tawag tong patag to? Kukunin ko lang yung ano dito, yung binili kong mga jacket. Ay, mga damit. Let's go. Uy! Masyado mabilis. Pip pip. Nandito na ako. Let's go. Open the door. Oh. Yun yung binili ko ah. Nasa ibang store ako.
Armor. Good choice.
Huwag na mamakyo ah.
God bless America.
Shut up. This one is my favorite. Okay. Yun ang kailangan ko. Wala nang kailangan. May ilaw pa siya. Mamamatay ako dito. My mission is to kill the people. Wag na. Yun, di ko na yun mission. Dito. Okay. Yung pupuntahan ko. Kung nga ready ako nagpatay dyan, pero ako nagpatay. Oh! Tabi! May habol pang cups. Talaga naman. Run! Tabi! Tabi! Fast. Bilisan mo. Go fast. Keep going. Don't stop. Almost there. No! Ito na yung pupuntahan ko. Ako, nainis na ako ha. Papatayin ko na kayo. Hey you! Just die. Walang magagawa, patay ka na eh. I just need to escape. Oh. Hihihi. Mamatay ka! Okay. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Bye bye.